Okay. Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed the exercise 5.1 fourth question. Right? Now, I am going to start question number 5. Question number 5. See, what is the question number 5 is given here? Is the function f defined by f of x is equal to what is given? Splitting function is given x 5. If x less than or equal to 1, if x greater than 1. Okay, is the function f defined by f of x is equal to x if x less than or equal to 1, 5 if x greater than 1. Continues. What is asking here? Continues at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 2. Okay, so what is asking here? Is this function is continuous or not? At x equal to 0, at x equal to 1, at x equal to 2. So what we have to check here? We have to check the continuity. We have to check the continuity of the function. This function is splitting function. It means left of 1 x, right of 1 means above 1 5. F of x equal to 5. So we have to check the continuous at x is equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. At where we have to check? 3 questions are given here: 0, 1 and 2. How can you check this one? To check this one here, at x equal to 0 we have to take. First question, at x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means compulsory what we have to find? Left of 0, right? First, that means to check the continuity. To check the continuity, what we have to find? What is the definition of continuous function? Limit must be exist at 0 and that limit value is equal to f of a. A means is 0 only, f of 0. Those two values we have to find or not. That means limit value we have to find and f of 0 also we have to find. Right? Yes. Limit means compulsory what we have to find here? At x equal to 0 is asking left hand limit we have to find, right hand limit also we have to find. Left hand limit we have to find, right hand limit also we have to find. Right? Yes. Here actually what is the question is given? Just observe that one. What is given here? X. If x less than or equal to 1, it is above 1. So x less than 1 means 0.1, 0.2, 0.1 or not? Yes or no? Just understand carefully here. Okay, so at x equal to 0 we have to find here limit here. That means first we have to find left limit at 0, right limit at 0 also. Right? Yes. First solution. First what is that one? At x is equal to 0. At x equal to 0 I am going to find. First find left limit. Now LHL, left hand limit. Okay, left hand limit. That means what is the left hand limit? Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to 0 minus left of 0. Left of 0 means what is the function here? Limit x tends to 0 minus what is the function of x here? Left of 0. You see, x value less than 1, below 1. Below 1 means that is about for 0 also you can take or not? Yes, that means whatever we will take left of 0, right of 0 means what is the function here? X only. Why? Because here this function f of x is equal to x is x less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1 is below 1. Below 1 means here below 1 means 0 also is there not? 0 also is there. So that is why what we have to take here? F of x function will be x. So substitute here. The value will be 0. So apply limit here. 0 you have to apply in the place of x. Apply 0. So apply limit. Limit means substitute in the place of x 0. So 0. Next, right hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus what is the function of x here? Above 0. Above 0 or below 0 the function is same only. Why? Because this x value is below 1. Below 1 means 0 will be there. Above 0 or below 0 the function will be x only. Okay. So limit x tends to 0 plus x. So substitute here 0. So what is that one? That is LHL is equal to RHL. Left hand limit, right hand limit, both are exist. Right? Yes. So that means what is therefore limit x tends to 0. F of x is equal to 0. Limit value. Right? And at x is equal to 0, what is f of x function here? If you take at x equal to 0, x equal to 0 means below 1 only. Below 1 means what is the function here? F of x equal to x. So x only. So what is f of 0 value here? 0. Right? So that is what we say. limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0 is equal to 0. Just observe carefully. Limit at 0, f of 0 value, both you got 0. Both you got 0. Then what is it? What is it? The function is continuous at x equal to 0. That is f of x is continuous yet x is equal to 0. Hence f of x is continuous. Okay. Hence f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Understand? Same like this way. Next question, what is that one? Yet x is equal to 1 we have to check. X equal to 1 we have to check. Check at x equal to 1. So to check at x equal to 1, first what do I find? Left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus. Left hand limit we have to find at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1. Yes. Find this. F of x is equal to. Yes. Find limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. Left of 1. Left of 1 means what is the value? Function x only. So f of x means x. So substitute, that means apply limit here. In the place of x, what we have to substitute here? 1. So substitute 1. Okay, 1 means 1 only. And next, right hand limit. Right hand limit. Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus. 1 plus means above 1. Above 1 means greater than 1. Greater than 1, what is the function here? F of x equal to 5. F of x equal to 5. So substitute here. Here to substitute x value here, there is no x here. There is no x value, constant. What is the limit of constant? That constant only. So 5. Yes. So left hand limit what we got here? 1. Right hand limit what we got here? 5. So what is it here? What is it? That is left hand limit. LHL is not equal to RHL. Left hand limit, right hand limit, both are not equal. Whenever you will say both are not equal, what will not exist? So therefore you might write also limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Right? Left limit, right limit, both are not equal. Left limit at 1, right limit at 1, both are not equal. Then what is it? Limit does not exist. Hence, does limit x tends to 1 f of x does not exist. Does not exist. Limit is does not exist. Whenever you say limit is not existing, then what is it? F of x. Hence f of x is discontinuous. Discontinuous. Yet where? Yet x is equal to 1. That x equal to 1, the function is discontinuous. Discontinuous. Why it is? Why? Because limit is not existed. Limit is not existed. Compulsory to saying that the function of t is continuous at that particular value x equal to 1. When you will say limit must be exist, that limit value is equal to f of 1 must be. Limit at 1 and f of 1 both must be equal. But here limit is not existed. Whenever limit is not existed, as you know by the definitions of continuity, it is not continuous. Not continuous in the sense discontinuous. Discontinuous at x equal to discontinuous at x equal to. Understand? Next. Next question. In this, one more question is given. What is that one? What is that? Yet x equal to 2. Yet x equal to 2 also we have to check. Yes. So, yet x is equal to 2. Here also same condition. Left of 2, first what we have to find? 2 saying about this function is continuous, what we have to find? Left limit we have to find, right limit. That means limit we have to find at x equal to 2. After finding limit and f of 2 also we have to find. If both will be equal, then continuous. Otherwise, discontinuous. Okay? So let's see. Left hand limit. X tends to 2 minus. First, left hand limit we are finding at 2. So 2 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means below 2. Below 2. Yes. Just observe here, what is the function f of x here? Just observe here, it is below 1. Below 1 it is. It is not satisfied. Okay? So just observe above 1 it is. Above 1 means that is below 2 or not? Above 1 means you can take at 2 or not? At 2 you can take below 2 or above 2, the function will be same only. So it will be 5. So this value is 5. Right? Next, right hand limit. Limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. What is the value of x here? 2 plus above 2. Above 2. Here see above 1. Above 1 means what will be there? Above 1 means 1, 2. Above 1 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on you can take. Okay. So here this value 5 will be above 1. Above 1 means for 2 you can take, for 3 you can take, for 4 whatever the values you can take. So for 2 I am taking left of 2, right of 2, the value will be 5 only. The function will be 5 only. Yes or no? Yes. So here below 2, 5. Above 2 also function 5 only. Is equal to 5. So left hand limit, right hand limit, what we got? Same you got. That is limit x tends to 2 f of x is equal to 5. Left hand right hand both are equal. Whenever left and right both are equal, what do you say? What do you say? Limit exists. That limit is equal to 5. And yet x is equal to 2. That x is equal to, what is the function f of x? That x is equal to 2. What is the function? See here, x is greater than 1. X greater than 1 means it is more than 1. For each and every value of more than 1, the function will be, f of x will be 5 only. The function f of x will be 5 only. Here see 2. 2 means more than 1. More than 1 means what is the function here? F of x equal to 5 only. 5. So what is f of 2 value? 5 only. F of 2 also 5. Just observe here. That is, here see, limit value 5. F of 2 also 5. That is limit x tends to 2. F of x is equal to f of 2 is equal to 5. So limit value and f of 2 value both you got 5 only. Then what is it? What is it? Limit is existed and that value is equal to f of 2. F2. Then hence f of x is continues that x is equal to 2. Continues that x is equal to 2. Okay. So did you get this one? Like this, you have to solve these questions. Okay. Why? Because direct what is given? At 0, at 1, at 2 is asked. That is why we have to find left limit at 0, right limit at 0, f of 0 also. Here also left limit at 1, right limit at 1, f of 1 also. Left limit at 2, right limit at 2, f of 2. We have to find these all values. If limit value and f of that 0 both are equal, continues. Otherwise it is continuous. Left limit at 1, f of 1 both must be equal, then continues, otherwise discontinuous. Here also limited to f of 2 both must be equal, then it is continuous. But here at 0, at 2 the function is continuous, but at 1 it is not continuous, discontinuous we got. Okay. This is question number 5. Now I am going to discuss the question number 7, 6 also. Okay, just a second. Question number 6. What is question number 6 is given here? Find all points of discontinuity. What is asking? Find all points of discontinuity of f, where f is defined by, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 questions are given. Question number 13. Okay, up to question number 13, some questions are given. What is that one? Find all points of discontinuity. Discontinuous points is asking. That means the given function where it is discontinuous. Okay, yes. To check that one here, what is the first question is given? First question means here 6. F of x function is given here. What is the function f of x? Splitting functions are given here. Okay. Yes. 2x plus 3 if x less than or equal to 2. 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. Observe carefully. Here is he asking check the continuity. Is it continuous or not at some particular value? No. He is not given value. That means check the like previous question. Previous question what is given? Check the continuity of the function. Yet x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, like that is given or not? But is it x values are given here? Is x values given here? No. Given? No. So what is also here? Check the discontinuity points of the given function. That means what we have to do here? We have to check the continuity. Or that means we have to check the continuous only. At where we have to check? To check here is x value is given. Understand carefully what I am asking here. Okay, is to check the continuity, x values are given like previous question. No, but how we have to check here? At where we have to check? Generally we don't know where we have to check. Yes or no? That is why we have to check for all real numbers. We have to check for all real numbers. Are you understanding or not? We have to check for all real numbers. For all real numbers, is this function is continuous or not? We have to check. How we have to check? We saw like this question, some questions in last class, right? Yes. How we have to check? For to checking that one, it is the question given that. Okay. Solution. To checking that one, what we have to do here? Here, see, let A be any real number. I am taking A be any real number. Now what we have to do here? A any real number. Now according to this question, how many cases you will get here? A. So we have to take below 2. All real numbers we have to check for below 2. And all real numbers we have to check below 2 and at x equal to 2, that means that real number equal to 2 and real numbers above 2 we have to check. Are you understanding or not? Are you understanding or not? Just see. Here what we have to check here? We have to check this function is at where it is discontinuous. At where it is discontinuous. To check the discontinuous, compulsory what we have to check here? At where compulsory x value must be given here. But here x value is not given. X value is not given. Then how can you check? We also x value is not given means we have to check for each and every real number. Each and every real number. So how we have to check the each and every real number? That is why there are two. That function is given splitting. The splitting function is given. That is why what we have to take here? What we have to take here? I am taking here that A be any real number. So that A value below 2 I am taking, equal to 2 I am taking, above 2 I am taking. Now I am going to check here below 2. For every real number below 2, for every real number equal to 2, for every real number after 2, that means above 2. We have to check like this. We saw like this in last class we saw some questions like this or not? Yes, same here also we have. So here how many cases according to question? According to question, how many cases will we get here? See, that A value less than 2 or A equal to 2 or A greater than 2. A means real number. That A real number less than 2 or equal to 2 or A that real number may be greater than 2. So case 1, case 2, case 3. That means it is 2. Below 2 you have to check. These are real numbers or not? It is plus minus infinity. It is plus infinity. That 2 the function splitting is given. So these are real numbers. Below 2, for all real numbers we have to check. Is this function continuous function or not? Next, F2 we have to check. Is this function continuous or not? And above 2 also we have to check. Is this function continuous or not? If suppose it is continuous here, then there is no points such that the function is discontinuous. If suppose here it is left of 2, it is discontinuous. Suppose it is continuous, So what is that one? So the given function is discontinuous for all real numbers less than 2. Like that you have to say. Are you understanding or not? By solving this question you can understand easily. Just see. See now from now onwards each and every question you have to say like this only. First you have to observe that one where the function is split. Okay, at there only. That means at that value, below that value, above that value, at that value we have to check the continuity. Okay, see. So now here case 1. Case 1 means we have to check at A less than 1, A less than 2. A means real number. That real number, which type of real number? Below 2. That real number is below 2. Less than 2. Less than 2, that means less than 2 means 1.988, 1.98, 1.9, 1, 0.1, 0.1 and so on, negative values also, up to minus infinity. For all that, we are checking that, for all the real numbers we are checking that is this function is continuous or not. Okay, yes. At x less than 2. So check that one. Limit x tends to a. X tends to a, f of x is equal to. Observe carefully. It is A's real number. That real number must be less than 2. Less than 2. Okay, yes. Check here. Limit x tends to a. What is the function of x here? A is real number. That real number less than 2. Below 2. What is the function here? Less than 2. Below 2. What is the function here? 2x plus 3. So what is the function here? 2x plus 3. Clear? No? Upper limit here. Upper limit in the place of x, what we have to substitute? A. So what is that one? 2a plus 3. So what is limit you got here? Limit here. X tends to a, f of x. Limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to 2a plus 3 we got. Left limit. Sorry, not left limit. So for all real numbers less than 2. For all real numbers less than 2, we got that limit is. That means limit existed here. For all real numbers less than 2, limit existed. Next one, what do you find? At x, at a less than 2, what is function f of x here? F of x, left of 2. For real number left of 2, what is the function here? 2x plus 3 only. So at a, what is the value? A means real number left of 2, less than 2. Okay? So what is that one? 2a plus 3. So what you observe here? Limit value we got 2a plus 3 and f of a, so we got 2a plus 3. These are all values left of 2 only, below 2 only. So left of 2, limit is existed and f of a value is equal to same. Both are same. Then what do you say? What do you say? That is limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to f of a is equal to 2a plus 3. Below 2, limit existed. Below 2 for all real numbers, limit existed. And f of a also both must be same. Both are same. So then what do you say? Limit existed, f of a, both are equal. According to the definition of continuous, what we can say? This function is continuous. Hence, f of x is continuous. That way, at x less than. At x less than. That means for all real numbers less than 2, the function is continuous. The function is continuous. Okay. Next, case 2. Case 2. What is case 2 here? A equal to 2. A equal to 2. A equal to 2. A equal to, at 2, we have to check the continuous. At 2 means, how we have to check here? To check at 2, compulsory left of 2, right of 2. That means left hand limit we have to find, right hand limit also we have to find. Okay. Now, limit x tends to a minus f of x. A minus means what is a here? 2 only. So you can write 2 only here. 2 minus f of x. Left of 2. Left of 2, what is the function here? 2x plus 3. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. F of x means 2x plus 3 only. Okay, substitute here. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 into 2 plus 3, that is equal to 7. Right? Right after. Limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to above 2. Real number, a is equal to real number, that is above 2. Above 2 means what is the function here? 2x minus 3. Limit x tends to 2 plus 2x minus 3. Right? 2x minus 3. So substitute here 2 into 2 minus 3. Right? 2 to the 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So what is here? That is limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. Left of 2, right of 2, left limit, right limit, both are not equal. What is left limit you got? 7. What is right limit you got? 1. Left limit, right limit, both are not equal. Left limit is not equal to right limit, x2. Then what is it? What is it? Hence, what is it? F of x is discontinuous. X is equal to 2. It is discontinuous at x equal to. What he asked? Discontinuous point he asked or not? So it is the one of the point, discontinuous point. Okay. Next. So here we checked for left of 2. Left of 2 for all real numbers left of 2. We checked all real numbers less than 2 and at x equal to 2. And at 2 also we checked. Next where we have to check? Above 2. All real numbers more than 2 we have to check. Same procedure. Same procedure means what we have to check? Case 3. What is case 3 here? Case 3. See, case 3. That way, that A greater than 2. Real numbers for all more than 2. Real number for all real numbers more than 2 we have to check. Again same limited. X tends to A. F of x is equal to limited. X tends to A. Just observe carefully. At A we are finding. A means all real numbers more than 2. All real numbers more than 2. What is the function here? What is the function? 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3. Now find here. What do you get here? 2a minus 3. Right? And yet x is equal to a. What is the function here? X equal to a means what is a value here? A value is a real number that is more than 2. A is real number that is more than 2. So what is the function here? A is real number more than 2 means what is the function? 2x minus 3 only. So 2x minus 3 means so yes. F of x equal to 2x minus 3. And next what is f of a value here? F of a is equal to 2 into a minus 3. So 2a minus 3. 2a minus 3. That is what is it? That is limited. X tends to a, f of x and f of a we got same values. Limit value at a and f of a value we got same values. 2a minus 3. 2a minus 3. Yes or no? So what do you say? Limit existed, that limit value and at that a value, f of a value we got 2a minus 3 only. So what do you say? Limit existed, that value equal to f of a. So it is continuous. Hence f of x is continuous for all real numbers x greater than 2. Did you get this one? Yes. So from this one what you observe here? See 2. The function is given below 2, above 2. Splitting is given left of 2, right of 2. So what we checked here? We checked for all real numbers less than 2. It is continuous. Continuous we got, right? Above 2. Above 2 also we got the function is continuous. Okay. Yet 2 what we got? Yet 2 what we got? It is discontinuous. Yet 2 it is discontinuous we got. Are understanding or not? Like this manner we have to check. Why we are checking like this only? Why? Because here x value is not given. That is why. When x value will be given, suppose check the continuity x at x equal to 0 or at x equal to 1 or at x equal to 2. We can check directly the continuous. How can you check? Left limit we will find, right limit we will find, and f of that value also we will find. Directly with the 3 steps you will get. But here x value is not given. To check the continuity, what is not given here? Particular x value is not given. That is why whenever particular x value will not give, compulsory we have to find like this only. We have to first write the cases. How many cases you will get? How many cases here? Like we have that way the function splitting. At that only we have to find. That means suppose that 2 is the function splitting. Left of 2, right of 2. Yet suppose 3 is given. Left of 3, right of 3. Yet 0 is given. Left of 0, right of 0. At 0 also. At 2, left of 2, right of 2, at 2. Or if 1 will be given, left of 1, right of 1, at 1. Like this we have to check. Okay, left of 1, right of 1 means for all real numbers left of 1, for all real numbers left of 2, yet x is equal to 2 also we have to check. If 1 will be given, for all real numbers left of 1 we have to check, for all real numbers right of 1 we have to check, yet 1 also we have to check. If 0 will be given, for all real numbers left of 0 we have to check, for all real numbers above 0 we have to check, yet 0 also we have to check. Okay, yes. Like this manner we have to check. Remember, so here we have to check the questions, we have to solve the questions like this only. Okay. Yes. Now, one more question I am going to solve here. Question number 7. Question number 7. Wait a minute. Okay. So, question number 7 or 8 I will solve in next class. Okay. Thank you.